So hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So here we'll solve the problem number 584. Find customer referee. So what we have is customer table which contains columns ID, name and referee ID. So in SQL, ID is the primary key column for this table. So ID is the primary key column for this table. And each row of this table indicates ID of the customer, their name and ID of the customer who referred them. So referee ID is that ID of that particular customer who referred them. So what we want to find over here is that find the names of the customer that are not referred by customer with the ID equal to 2. Return the result table in any order. Okay. So what we want, see here if we consider what we want is that we want to find the ID of the customer which are not referred by 2. Means we don't want 3, we don't want 6, we don't want Alex and we don't want Mark. We want Will, Jay, Bill and Jack. Okay. So let me write the query. Select what we want is name. So we are selecting name from customer table where reference ID or referee ID free ID is not equals to 2. Okay. So let me write this query. Wrong answer. Why it's okay is Jack. Okay. So we missed the condition of like or your referee ID is null. We're not considering the null values name. So we'll put this as this. So FPID is null. Yeah, here we accept our test case got accepted. Our output matches with the expected outcome. So what happened over here is that basically first we missed that to say referee ID is null just because it's only considering uh, values which are not null. Like if you consider this row, and this row, it is already considering this Jack row, not considering the null. So for that we need to use an OR condition over here. Either one of the condition is to then return that particular name of that particular customer. So it should be like referee ID should not equals to 2 or referee ID is null. Then we can get the answer. Yeah. So thank you.